Hello, it's Sophia with Yes Our Kids Can. Today's quick tip is about routines. Summer is usually a time for staying up late and sleeping in. And now that school is getting closer, now is a great time to get your child back into the routine of earlier bedtimes. So over the next couple weeks, start having your child go to bed 15 to 30 minutes earlier at night and waking up 15 to 30 minutes earlier in the morning. As you get closer to your child's first day of school, adjust that time by an hour. So go to bed 1 hour earlier at night and then 1 hour earlier waking up in the morning. Doing this is going to really help ease them into the school routine, and they're just going to have a much better time adjusting to the new schedule. I have some really exciting news as well. Families, we're going to be kicking off our Back to School Basics Week by having a raffle. This is your chance to win a $150 gift card to help you with your back to school shopping. To enter the contest, all you need to do is post a selfie video on our Facebook page telling us how have the videos and messages from Yes Our Kids Can helped your family this summer. We're going to be announcing our winner on Monday, August 6th. And don't forget that tax-free weekend is right around the corner, so don't miss your chance to win.